Good morning everyone, welcome back to the last day of week 4. It's now Friday. Thank you to everyone that's been sending me stuff through. It's been really good work so far, and I've really enjoyed reading all the free writing that you've done, showing your knowledge of the genres that we've covered earlier in the year. So all these activities, if you did them yesterday, they can just be done again. For reading, if you've done this yesterday, you can just choose a different book and pick 5 words from that book to write the meaning of and put in a sentence. And then for writing, you can just choose one of these genres and just write about that, whatever content you want to put in there. And then for maths, just practicing for your basic facts test again. So there's these websites where we have the tests, and there's games on these websites as well. And again, remember to practice your division. And then there's always this last slide here if you finish all this other stuff. See you for now.